Today, I want to cover something that gets a lot of attention and a lot of hype for good reason: market cap indexing, or passive low cost indexing as many people refer to it. Now, market cap or market capitalization essentially refers to the idea that you can figure out the total value of a company by taking the number of shares and multiplying it by the share price. And so that would be the value of the company if you bought every single share, you bought the entire company on the open market. Last year in the news, when Apple hit $3 trillion, they were referring to the market capitalization. Market cap indexing refers to the idea that you can take all of these different companies and all of their different market caps, and you can stack rank them from largest all the way to smallest. Largest company gets the largest weight in your portfolio. And so it's just a percentage or a pro rata basis. So indexing does work. It's not a bad strategy, but there are still some decisions that you actually have to make when you're designing your own personal portfolio. First off, stock versus bond. A pure market cap strategy would buy every single stock and bond in the world as it exists today. But many people, if you're a younger investor and you're more aggressive, as an example, or you have a longer time frame, you might choose to hold more stock for the risk-reward trade-off in your portfolio. So now you're moving away from market cap from a stock perspective, and then you can index. So you can say, hey, I'm gonna have more stock, but then I'm just gonna weight everything in the world as it exists. From a behavior and a tax standpoint, many investors favor having a little bit more in their home country than exists in the world. And so you might say, okay, cool, I'm gonna hold more stock and I'm gonna hold more of my own home country. But then once I lay out those country and stock weightings and bond weightings, then I'm gonna market cap all the way down inside each country. And so you can see that there are some nuances to how you can execute this from a personal portfolio standpoint. But in summary, yes, market cap means you're stack ranking every company by the weight that they exist in the world. It is not a bad strategy, but there are still some decisions you have to make. If all of this sounds overwhelming or you have additional questions, please feel free to reach out anytime. But I hope this helps. See you tomorrow.